Now, I don't know if it's going to hold. Damn hope it does. But, we got a package from Starship Hospital. So a few weeks ago, we did a charity stream for them. We raised over 15k for the plane service that they have. The brewmaster is back. Yes, and my cake. But yeah, so we're gonna open it. I've never done an opening on stream. So here we go. So I took my dress off because you know you guys might come and touch my hair. I don't believe there's a letter in it. No, there's not. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna do an unboxing. So, that's my name. Nice, Juicy. Thanks, brother. Okay, so I'll read it out for you too. Okay, so this wasn't just an effort done by me, it was done by all of you guys too. So dear Broxh, we cannot thank you enough for jumping on board this year for this year's epic streamathon charity event showcasing out your wonderful wood carving to help raise much needed funds to keep our national air ambulance flying. So that's it there. In this year's event we raised a whopping 48,031 cents over just 14 days thanks to the combined efforts of our streamers. Woohoo. We are stoked by the results, including we're grateful for exceptionally significant part you played in this year's success, raising over 15k. So that was you guys that came together for Starship 2. Yeah. As you know, Starship National Air Ambulance is a lifeline based for our children around the country who need life-saving care. Last year alone, there were over 194 retrieval missions to almost every region in New Zealand, transferring critically ill children to receive specialist paediatric care at Starship, our National Children's Hospital. On behalf of the team here at Starship Foundation, we are very appreciative of all your efforts. Thank you for you and your team of streamers. And you guys, I'm going to say that from me. We are much closer to reaching our 500k goal to help fund the vital service. Much thanks, the team at Starship. So that's a big achievement, finally. I mean, that was the first time I've done one of those, and it's not going to be the last charity stream. Now let's see what's in here. Oh, we got one of these. So we got some clothes in here. Cool. I don't need to buy clothes. Yeah, I'm gonna rock this with pride, eh? This is what we got here. Hold on, I just don't want this box to fall. So we gotta keep Starship flying, so we got this t-shirt here. I'll be rocking this forever. So we got a t-shirt. What do you guys think? Love the Naruto music. Cheer, brother. Now there's something in here that I'm waiting for. Now, there were prizes as well with what happened. So you could win a weekend away at Ridges. I turned that down, and the VR headset was second. I turned the prizes down. Something, they insisted that I get something, and it was from a child that was saved by the airline. So here we go. So I turned the prizes down for a letter from one of the kids. Here we go. So dear Broxh, thank you for supporting Starship's National Air Ambulance from Hari. Hold on, guys. Oh. Hold on. Fuck. That's all I done it for. That's just for the kids. Fuck it. I'm probably gonna frame this too and put it on my streamer desk. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna cherish this for the rest of my life in terms of streaming as well. So that letter was from one of the kids that got saved from the airplane service. Whew. And then we got some more stuff in here. Oh, it's the NBA Breakers bag. Oh, NBA. Sorry. My head's all over the place at the moment. Yeah. Thank you, Anonymous and Cop Out. You didn't have to give subs. Oh, I need a new jersey too. So he's not seeing me wear the same ones. Oh, jeez. So we got Black Sheep, first ever Black Sheep New Zealand. Sure, we got a shirt. Then we got a jersey as well. And shout out to Starship for these. I told them they didn't have to, all I wanted was just a letter. And then being like you guys, had no ears. And some more gym pants. Got us some home pants as well. Yo, let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Shout out to Starship. Thank you very much. You didn't have to give the clothes. The letter was more than enough. Oh man. So I'll just put these to the side, guys, and we'll carry on for a bit. I hope the camera doesn't turn off.